Hello, welcome to the Week 7 Assembly. There's going to be lots and lots of clips here showing stuff that's going on around the school. Hope you enjoy.
Hi, I'm Polly, another one of your ambassadors. Another goal of this fortnight is tightening tensions, which is the third step of the 7 steps. Simon's class 29A will now talk about that.
Hello, I'm Henry from 29A.
And I'm Jack.
Today we will be talking about tightening tensions.
Tightening tensions is making something basically more dramatic, and so you're more nervous when you read it.
There are many things that we did, like see, taste, hear, smell, touch, and feel.
We had to think about how you would feel in the scenarios and what you would do, basically.
And also how you would feel with your emotions and stuff like that.
Okay. We did 3 activities. One of them was one of the final things, so it could be something about a final anything. And another one of them was
Stuck in an aeroplane bathroom.
yeah, stuck in an airplane bathroom. And another one was
Lost in a big city.
yeah, lost in a big city. And another one was most embarrassing moment.
Nellie here, one of the school ambassadors. Just remember, one of our virtues this week is courage. Courage is trying things, trying new things, trying your best, being brave and standing up for yourself.
Hi, my name is George and I'm one of the ambassadors. Another one of our goals is persistence. Remember to keep on trying and don't give up, and strive for excellence, which is another one of it's our motto for our school.
Hi, I'm Finn. I'm one of the ambassadors, and one of our goals this week is compassion, which is having empathy for others and having feelings for them too. Hope to see you showing it in the yard. Goodbye.
I'm Toby from room 14J, and I want to tell you about how to put an information report together. And a great information report has a title that tells the audience what they will be reading about, lots of facts, subheadings to organise the information, and pictures and diagrams that match the text.
That's well done, Toby. And where do you get all these from in your room? Do you want to show us?
And we get them from this box here.
Oh, cool. And there's lots of cards, is that right?
Yes, there's one for a place.
Excellent. So that gives us an idea.
And there's one for
That's okay.
Animals
Perfect.
and objects
Well done.
and a person.
Excellent. Would you like to give everyone a wave? Say thanks.
Thanks.
My name is Reuben. I'm from 15J, and these are our rainbow fish. We read a story of the rainbow fish, and then we made some. This one here is mine.
They look lovely. And is the whole class made rainbow fish?
Yes.
Good job. Well, thanks for sharing this week. Bye.
Hi, my name's Olivia, and this year we've been working on 3D cities, and today we built a 3D city. Over here we got different buildings and different sizes, and we could make our own building.
Wow, and has this been great fun?
Yeah.
And looks like you've been doing a lot of maths, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what room number is this?
9J.
Excellent. So it's certainly a great city, and would you encourage other people to come and have a look?
Yeah.
Yeah, and which one was yours?
This one over here.
Oh, and it's actually got the amazing doctor. All right, would you like to wave bye to everyone?
Bye.
All right, thank you.
We are tracing tricky words.
And which class are you from, Sebi?
4W.
Excellent. And who is this tracing words with you?
So my name is Audrey.
My name's Audrey.
That's beautiful, Audrey. And who's here helping us?
I'm Prue.
Hi, Prue.
And I'm Ella.
Excellent. And can we have a look at your beautiful work? So what's it say?
Don't have a go at reading it, Ella?
I can see the apple tree.
That's beautiful. I can see the apple tree. Do you want to say bye from us?
Bye.
See ya.
And click here. Can you guess? You ready? Who goes out late at night? Who forecasts? Who climbs trees and gets in fights? Who forecasts? Who sews up in front of the fire? Who forecasts? Who's supposed to have my
Hi, I'm Nellie. I'm another ambassador. I'm going to talk about resilience. Basically, resilience is bouncing back from like a failed attempt, say, not letting it like get you down and stopping you from trying again. Instead, like taking it in your stride and just like keeping on trying. So yeah.
Hi, my name is Reuben. I'm from 8W. We are doing reading.
My name is Josh, and I'm from 7W, and this is my dog that I got on Friday.
Excellent. And have you been sharing about your dog?
Yes.
And where does your dog sleep?
Downstairs in my house.
Excellent. And are you excited to have a dog? And are you all helping look after the dog? And what does the dog eat?
He eats chicken necks.
Excellent. And is he very cuddly? Does he like patting? Excellent. And what, do you know what type of dog it is or not?
It's a cavoodle.
A cavoodle, that's beautiful. Well, thank you for sharing with the school. Do you want to give everyone a wave?
Hi, I'm Anika, and I'm from 31RC. I'm here to talk about our bumper dog pool in my classroom. We've got good, great, amazing, and wow. Good is growing, great is sprouting, amazing is budding, and wow is blooming. I started off at great, which I had my persuasive text is clear structure with arguments organised into paragraphs. I have used simple sentences that make sense. Most of my sentences have capital letters. My spelling is mostly accurate, and I have tried to spell some difficult words. I have used transition words to begin my paragraphs. I've used some high modality words and rhetorical questions. Now I'm amazing and I'd like to read my work. In my opinion, we should eat a healthy lunchbox so we stay healthy and live a much happier, balanced life. Firstly, we should eat healthy so we live longer. Research shows that if you eat healthy, you can live up to 14 years longer. Wouldn't it be great if you lived up 14 years longer? I personally believe we should all eat a healthy, colourful, crunchy, delicious lunchbox. Secondly, the Australian Healthy Guidelines suggest that you should eat a well-balanced plate. This often includes the food groups: dairy, meat, grain, vegetables and fruit. So, without a doubt, we should eat healthy. Thirdly, if you eat too much from your lunchbox, you can get pre-diabetes, type 1 diabetes or type 2 diabetes. A type 2 diabetes can kill you. Anyway, who wants diabetes? Therefore, we should all eat a healthy lunchbox so we live longer, stay happy and healthy, and don't get diabetes. So do you want a healthy lunchbox?
Hi, I'm Zoe from room 17A. My goal is to create text that are a page long. I achieved my goal.
Would you like to show everyone? You certainly have achieved your goal for this term. My gosh, and you have gone well over a page long. It looks like a page and a half. And what was the text called?
Ducks in space.
Excellent. Would you like to read a little bit of Ducks in Space?
Zoom went the rocket into space. Oh no, said the duck. We have crashed. We need to see the damage. Now we should fix it. B for people. C as let's go. Now the ducks have fixed it now. Let's go. We are doing great. 1, 3, 2, 1, lift off.
Hi, I'm Sophie from 17A. My goal was to write my goal is to write sentences into paragraphs. How I achieved it by putting full stop sentences in paragraphs and make them sentences.
Well done.
Hi, I'm Ryan from 17A. My goal is to group sentences into paragraphs correctly, and this is my work. I did to prove that I achieved my goal.